Hi guys, welcome to KLArtistic. Quick intro today. I've hit 500 subscribers, so this video that you're about to watch is a thank you to each and every one of you who's come along the journey with me on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Keep hitting those like buttons and comments. I love them all, and if you haven't already, please do so. Thanks for watching everyone. Now let's get to my video.
Hi guys, and welcome back to KLArtistic. I can't believe it. 500 subscribers. I've done it. I've made it to 500. I actually never thought I would make it to 100, and here I am at 500. So thank you very much to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I wanted to do something a little bit different and a little bit special for hitting 500. It's a bit of a milestone for me, and I'm a little bit excited about it. So I came up with the idea of doing water drops on my watercolor paper and then dropping the paint into the water drops. I've seen people do this and it's really, really fun to do. I've done a few things like this, and just watching the watercolor paint move in the actual water drop when you drop it in is really quite satisfying. So what I did is I ruled up my piece of paper because I wanted to put roughly 500 dots on here. I have since grown to, I think I'm 538 now subscribers. It may not be completely 500, but you know, I tried really hard. For those of you who want to sit there and count, go for it. Let me know how many are there. But the intention was to have 500 or roughly 500. I also had a go at doing, giving my 500 a shadow, like a 3D effect. I was actually pretty impressed with how it turned out. So I'm pretty chuffed with this. It took me a while. It's not a quick process, this. You've got to wait overnight for the water drops to actually dry and sink into the paper. And then you've got to come back and do the other processes on top of it. Sit back and enjoy. I'll come in maybe throughout the video if there's anywhere I think I need to tell you something. But once again, thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't, and you're watching this video, do me a favor and go over and hit that like button and subscribe. And anyone who hasn't already, hit that notification bell as well. That way you know when I bring out a video. Alright, sit back, relax and enjoy the music, and I'll show you the dried results at the end of this video. It looks pretty cool already, doesn't it? So I was originally going to do the 500 with dots as well, but then as I went along, I actually thought that they wouldn't stand out as much, and I thought it would look a bit too much like an eye test. So I changed it to just painting the number 500. So I have used my metallic watercolor paints to do this, and I did a couple of layers of those. I'm still tossing up whether I go over the 500 again with maybe one of my gold acrylics, just to really make it pop out. Let me know when you see the dry results what you think. So I have the intention here of giving my spots or dots some depth. So I'm putting some highlights onto them. And what I did with this part was I was going to use my Posca pen, but my Posca pen wouldn't work. My tip on it doesn't seem to work at the moment, but it's full of ink, so I smushed the ink out with onto one of my watercolor trays, and then just used it with my really fine paintbrush, giving it highlights. Now this makes a huge difference to the dots. It's surprising how just such a little thing can make such a massive difference. This was also very time consuming, but kind of fun. Thanks everyone for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my 500 subscriber celebration video and something a little bit different. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll know when I bring out a new video. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you soon.